Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to make coconut stuffed kachoris. So the ingredients that I require are your half kilo maida. I have taken the all purpose flour. I have kneaded into a medium soft dough. I have used little oil and little salt to make this dough and a cup of water. The dough will not be very soft, and then I've greased oil and made it into small rounds like this. This is of half kilo maida, that is all purpose flour. Here I have taken one big coconut and I have shredded it like this. Here I am going to add one big onion, finely chopped. This should be finely chopped so that you don't have problem when you are rolling the kachoris with the stuffing. Here I have taken half a teaspoon of sugar, salt as per our taste, half lemon. I have used one green chili, cut them finely, and I have kept one here. If required, I'll use it. The first step that we are going to do are we are going to mix these ingredients into this shredded coconuts. So I will just add all this, and then I'm going to squeeze the lemon very carefully. Make sure you don't drop the seeds in. This kachori will have a slightly salty, sweet, as well as little spicy, little sour, and it will be in taste. And then I'm going to very lightly just mix it. I'm going to use oil for frying the kachoris. Now I have made this, mixed the coconut along with the onion, green chili, salt, sugar and lemon juice. Now I'll take these small uh, dough balls that I have made and I'm going to roll it. I'll apply little oil. Here I have rolled 4 balls out, maida balls. Now I will put the stuffing in it. Then what I'm going to do, I'll take this piece and I will put it on top of it, and with my finger I'm just going to seal it like this. It will form a pattern and it's going to get sealed on the sides so that when I'm going to fry these kachoris, it won't come out. Same process I will follow for this one also, and I'm going to seal it. Two kachoris made. Now I'll follow the same process for the rest of the dough. So here I have made few kachoris ready, and make sure you press it nicely. You seal the edges, and here I have heated oil. So my oil is heated. I will just drop this kachori into the oil. Let it get cooked properly. As you can see, it's properly sealed and it didn't come out. So this is cooked. I will remove it in a separate plate. Same procedure I will follow for the next kachoris also. I'm going to take them. Seal the edges nicely. It should be sealed. And slowly I will drop it into the oil. Be careful while dropping it in the oil. This is done. I will again take this out. I'll follow the same for the rest of the kachoris. Here is our coconut stuffed kachoris ready. See, just have a look. It's completely sealed. Here you can see a little bit of coconut from inside, but it didn't come out while frying. So, friends, isn't it easy? And I am sure children are going to love this. They will simply love this because of the coconut taste in it. Very easy recipe. Children will enjoy, and it gets cooked in just few minutes with very less preparation. So do try this out at home and do let me know how you liked it. If you like my recipe, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new recipes. See you soon, friends. Take care. Stay safe.